Hello everyone, this is my new RC long reach excavator. The total length of the boom and arm is 27 inches. It makes this machine looks like a real one. This machine weighs around 20 pounds, so it's much more heavier than the plastic excavators. The weight also helps with digging, and it provides better performance. Most parts made out of metal. So this is the advantage of this machine. The size of this machine is 24 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 9 inches tall. The length can reach out to 34 inches. This machine comes with original boom and arm, which is only 22 inches. So I actually got 5 inches more. So from this angle, you guys can see the different the size difference between the original, the customized boom and arm. The original paint, it's actually yellow with black, but I like this Tiffany blue very much. So what I did, the bottom edge area and also the countertop area to this Tiffany blue, so it makes this machine looks very special. Also has some movement limitation switch that can stop the movements before the cylinder reach the maximum extension or minimum pulling back, which the switch is actually right over here. So when this cylinder pulling the small arm back, when the small arm hits the red part, so the power can be cutting off. And also in the same time, I have one down here which has the same function, and I have one for the bucket. Of course, I have two down here, so they are limitation switches for the boom up and down. The reason I got this one, not a hydraulic one, is because this one is not as expensive as hydraulic one, and I think this one has pretty much same function with hydraulic version. For this one, I can also control all the movement speed. Like for example, for the speeding movements, I can do it very slow, or I can do it very fast. Boom down slow, boom down fast, boom up slow, boom up fast. This machine also equips the light. It has two LED lights on the boom, so I can operate my machine during the night time without any problems. Thank you guys so much watching me my video. I will post more videos when I do some dirt digging. Please, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Leave me some reviews if you think I can do something else to make this machine become better. I really appreciate any feedback. Thank you guys again.